Here are several different ways to find the template you want on Dijibiz. First, we enter the Templates section on the left side, and then click on the search bar at the top. We enter a keyword related to the template we are looking for. For example, auto. We press enter. All the templates related to this keyword are listed here. Another method, click on the filter menu on the right side. You can make a selection from any category here. For example, you can choose an Instagram post. In this way, you will see that all Instagram posts are listed here. In this section, you can select any industry or filter according to the features you are looking for. With these two methods, you can easily find a template you are looking for.